doing, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy, Chef USA. You can see from the head. Today I will show you how to cook these eggs that I have. Now, I've been cooking for like 30-something years. I'm about 47. You know, I'm gonna cut the stove on. Cause what we gotta do. Shit. Put that motherfucker on high. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Got to spray the stuff down. Gotta have that ready. Now, if I burn the house down, I don't know how to cook. I'm cooking 40 eggs because I'm Chef USA. You know what I'm saying? Alright. Stove hot, you know what I'm saying? That sucker hot, that sucker hot. Let's go with the first one. First you want to know, caress the egg. You know what I'm saying? And you want to... Dang, why is it like that? You want to caress the egg. Crack that up. Look how I did that. How I cracked that, man. Crack it. I'm gonna shake, get the shake it out of there. Chef USA, you know what I'm saying? Chef USA. It's your boy, Chef USA. I don't know how to cook at all. I'm hungry, babe. It's your boy, Chef USA. It's your boy, Chef USA. It's your boy, Chef USA. I cooked the whole rack. 3 or 4, 5 eggs in there, man. 5. It's your boy, Chef USA. It's your boy, Chef USA. Chef USA. Boy, Chef USA. Chef USA. You gonna get your salt and pepper? What the hell happened to the salt? These motherfuckers be fucking with my shit. Chef USA. It's boy, Chef USA. You see I'm applying the pepper. Now kids, don't do this at home because Chef Boy USA been cooking for 40 years, but he don't cook to save motherfucker life. This shit gonna be good though, I can tell you that. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good though, I can tell you that. Okay. Then we're gonna, you know. Then we're gonna do this shit like we can. About to straight chop these suckers up. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna chop these suckers up. It's your boy Chef USA in the room. I cook it with my right hand, cook it with my right hand, cook it with my right hand, cook it with my right hand. Once again, kids, don't do this at home. I don't know how to cook, man. I've cooked for 40 years. I'm 47. It's your boy Chef USA. It's in the building. Straight whooping the pot, 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 whooping the pot. Damn. It's your boy Chef USA. Your boy Chef. You're gonna apply some more pepper to your shit. If you wanna kill yourself, you just don't hold out on that, but we ain't gonna do that today. It's your boy Chef USA. After that, you're gonna apply your cheese. Cause you know why? Cause Chef USA told you to do so. The best smack and cheese you ever had in your life. Boy, 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 boy. Smack your mom. Don't do cheese. This cheese will save your life. Cheese will save your life. I want you to try the cheese. It's gonna be good for you. What you gotta do? Cheese, man, let it melt a little bit. Cook it around. Cause you know why? The Chef USA told you what to do. This is the best damn shit you ever had in your life. I'm telling you. It's your boy Chef USA, the best eggs in the. It's what you get when you cook with Chef USA. Chef USA.